How does FECO/RSO work on turbo cancers?
Well, turbo cancers are everywhere. Every alternative wellness practitioner, every oncologist, every time I look online, everybody's talking about turbo cancer. Quickly onset, very aggressive, right? Came out of nowhere kind of a thing. So the thing about cancer is as quickly as it comes on, it can just as quickly be reversed. So usually a turbo cancer is so aggressive because it's coming in from an environmental source. So if you have parasites or glyphosates or all different kinds of things that people are trying to detox, kill, get rid of. So essentially, medical cannabis is going to be your first choice for profoundly stopping what is coming in with turbo cancer and the onset, that aggression, right? It's going to slow it down, stop it. So if you are diagnosed with turbo cancer, start taking large amounts of medical cannabis, it's probably the single best choice that you have to making profound inroads on slowing that train down. If we can slow the train down, we can reverse it. But turbo cancers are very aggressive. They come in very quickly. The saving grace is that if they come in really quick and they come in really aggressive, you can be aggressive and be quick and get rid of them just as readily. So most people assume that if it's aggressive and coming in quick, it's worse and all that kind of stuff. But a lot of times that is indicative of being not as deep.
Doesn't have quite the foothold.
Yeah, it doesn't have quite the foothold. And so what we can do is, it comes in and explodes, and then you can treat it and deal with it, get rid of it. I've never seen anything more powerful in treating these kinds of things than RSO, FECO, medical cannabis, taking it orally, systemically, topically. It's really the best choice you have. So, if you've been diagnosed with turbo cancer, or if it's something that's coming back, something that's really aggressive, RSO, FECO, King Harvest, we can really help. We would love to help. Give us a call.